Hey guys, Crypto Chick here, and welcome back to my cryptocurrency journey. In today's video, we are going to be talking about cryptocurrency exchanges, what they are, and I will also be showing you step by step how to create an account. It's time to start buying and trading cryptocurrencies, and the best way to do this is through an exchange. Echo, what is a cryptocurrency exchange?
A bureau to change your currency exchange is a business where people can exchange one currency for another.
So cryptocurrency exchanges are websites where you can buy, sell, or exchange cryptocurrencies for other digital currencies or traditional currencies like US dollars or euros. For those of you who want to trade professionally and have access to all the fancy trading tools, you will likely need an exchange that requires you to verify your ID to open an account. There are many exchanges out there, so make sure you do your own research to figure out which one you would like to use. I have decided to use Coinbase because it is very beginner friendly and I have heard a lot of good things about it. Coinbase is one of the most popular exchanges and has already served over 10 million customers. It provides an easy way for beginners to start buying, selling, and investing in cryptocurrencies. Coinbase is currently available in 32 countries, and most of them accept payment by bank account, deposit, credit, or debit card, and also the US accepts payment by PayPal. Now let me show you how to open a Coinbase account. But first, I recommend you find and use a referral link because Coinbase will credit you and the person who referred you both $10 in Bitcoin after you spend $100 or more on cryptocurrency. So this is my Coinbase referral link. If you would like to use me as a referral, I will have this linked down below in the description box. So when you click on a referral link, it will open up to the Coinbase web page. To get started on Coinbase, you will enter your email address. Click on this button to get started. You are then going to type in your first and last name, but make sure it is your legal first and last name because later Coinbase is going to verify that this is your account. Then you want to type in your email, choose a password, select what state you live in, click on the box that you are not a robot. Select all the images that have a bridge in it. Sometimes the image will tell you to select the pictures with a sign in it. So click on verify. Once they know you're not a robot, certify that you are 18 years of age or older and click create account. They have sent a verification email to my email. So I'm going to go to my email, click on the verification email, click on their link to verify email address. So now enter your phone number and click next. Once you click next, there is going to be a verification code sent to your phone number. So type in that code from your text messages. Verify phone number. So when you log onto your Coinbase, it will take you to this page, which is your dashboard. Your dashboard holds the current prices for Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Litecoin, which are the cryptocurrencies that they have available on Coinbase. Today at 1:30 p.m. on January 19th, 2018, the Bitcoin price is at $11,273.80. Now let's go over to the Buy and Sell tab. This is your buy and sell tab where you will buy cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Litecoin. This is where your payment method will be entered, and this is where you type in the amount of Bitcoin you would like to buy. I am doing $110 worth because I know there is a small fee. With $110, I am buying 0.0094 Bitcoin at $11,326.04 per Bitcoin. This money will be deposited into my Bitcoin wallet, and it looks like the fee for Coinbase was $2.99. Let's buy our Bitcoin. We are going to confirm our buy. The purchase was successful. Let's view our dashboard. Now, if we scroll down on our dashboard, it tells us that we have just bought 0.00944,369 of Bitcoin with our $110. Now let's go to our Tools tab. This is where our Bitcoin is going to go in a Bitcoin wallet that was created after we bought some Bitcoin. This address is kind of like your bank account number, except it is a Bitcoin wallet number. You will use this number to send and receive cryptocurrencies. Thank you for watching my video and coming along with me on this cryptocurrency journey. Just to let you know, I am not a financial advisor, so if you would like to invest in cryptocurrency, please do your own research beforehand. I hope my channel provides some knowledge of cryptocurrency and some entertainment as you watch me learn and invest. If you have any ideas for future videos, please comment down below. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in our next video. Bye!